That's it. This is going to be our backyard. I'm so excited to bring them along the journey.
I know.
I can't wait till it starts being built. Bye.
The next episode.
So excited. Doesn't feel real still.
I know. Not
We're officially gonna be homeowners. Got the key. You ready?
Go for it.
Oh wait, this way? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, we're inside. I'm living. Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, but as you guys can tell by the title, today I am currently packing up to begin the process to move, so don't mind your girl if I look like a hot mess express in this video, but I just want to be comfy, and I have all the boxes behind me, or some of the boxes, and I'm gonna start packing up my room. If you've been with me since the purple room, let me know in the comments down below. When did you find me? If you remember, I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know how many of my OGs are still here. I am moving this weekend, which I might make this whole video into one entire moving video, so we shall see. But for now, I need to start packing away stuff because I've been procrastinating. Story of my life. Today is actually Thursday, if you guys are wondering. So we got exactly a couple days, and tomorrow I'm actually at the house to continue painting. So we don't really have time to pack even tomorrow. So today I have to get a lot of stuff done. Crossing my finger that happens, but with me, you never know. I'm probably gonna be packing still the day of when I'm actually moving. I think I'm gonna start first with the clothes, and we'll just see. We're just gonna go with the flow. I have a bunch of boxes. I actually have a lot more downstairs, but these are kind of like the plastic container ones, and then I have a bunch of cardboard boxes all up in here. I'm gonna start first with these things, and then if I need more, we're gonna have to get more downstairs. We probably are gonna need more, because don't get me started on my shoe collection that's downstairs. That would probably take me a day alone, so I'm not looking forward to it. But my room is a mess right now, and I thought, you know what, there's no point of doing a clean room because we are moving, so it's okay if it's a mess. That's what I like to tell myself. My closet for the most part is pretty organized and clean still. I filmed that video and I've pretty much kept it clean except for that, so let's just pretend that's not there. I am just going to start, I think, taking the clothes out of my closet. For the most part, I'm not going to be wearing all these clothes in the time span of 2 days. I finished half of the closet. For now, I put everything here. I pretty much have some jackets, a little bit of dresses, but majority of this pile is pants. So all the pants I'm going to put in here, and every single bin, I'm just gonna label it so I can know where everything is. It's just gonna be a lot easier once I get into the new house. I pretty much filled up one bin already. This has all my pants, my jeans, and I also put like my denim and jean jackets in here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and label this, and then we're gonna move on to bin number 2 for all like the tops and extra sweaters and things like that. Closet is completely empty on the bar. Of course, we got to get rid of all this stuff too eventually. I'm gonna just put away my tops and stuff into my second bin now. I'm low-key getting a little bit sad while I can't talk. I'm low-key getting a little bit sad while packing, not gonna lie, but we're gonna hold it together. number 2 complete. All my clothes are pretty much all packed up. Now I'm gonna start to pack up all the other things and label my boxes. I am so tired. This is going to be a long one. Probably not gonna finish tonight, but so far I feel like a lot of progress has been made. I am starting off with bathroom stuff. Don't mind all of the hygiene products and the girl feminine products, but I'm gonna go ahead and empty that out. I have a ton more boxes packed. I have a bunch of boxes packed for my bathroom, my clothes. I think that's gonna be it for today, and I'm gonna have to keep going more tomorrow. Some of the stuff I am still obviously using. I will probably catch you guys when I continue packing, or maybe just when I'm officially moving on the Saturday. So I will keep you guys updated on what's going on, but packing day number 1 complete. I'm currently at my new house and we are painting. It's been like probably week 3 of painting now. This is from Sherwin-Williams. It's the Emerald, and this is in 7005 pure white. This is the white that we are painting all the walls. And then the walls right now are kind of like a yellow tint. It looks a bit brighter on camera, but in person, it's a lot more yellow. Nicholas working hard painting. My father barely working. I'm joking. A lot of progress made. This whole wall here is white. It's seriously a mess in here, but I love the white. Oh gosh, this is so heavy. This doesn't even close. Last box packed. It is officially moving day. It is currently Saturday, December 19th when filming this. I packed up everything. We are ready to go. So currently Nicholas is already at the house. He packed up as much as he could in his car, and I'm gonna do the same with my car. I'm gonna pack up a ton of stuff, and then in the afternoon we are actually getting a moving truck for the rest of kind of like the big stuff. But I'm actually gonna keep quite a bit in my room. I'm not gonna take all the furniture pieces, but I will be taking some. It is going to be a long day, maybe stressful. It's a little surreal to realize that this is pretty much one of the last times I will film in this room. So I'm kind of sad about it, not gonna lie. We are supposed to get Wi-Fi and our internet and TV installed really soon, so I should have been gone probably 10 minutes ago, but I'm here talking to a camera. Story of my life. This is some of the stuff I'm gonna bring with me into the car. I just said my goodbyes. It's so bittersweet. I got all my stuff packed. Oh, we're zooming in. Oh, no. And then in here we got the computer, so I got all the pillows. And we are off to this new chapter. I don't know what that was. Honey, I'm home. Wait, let me zoom to do your face. Honey, I'm home. Oh my God. I just brought everything in and I'm out of breath. Update, so I'm currently still at the house. Nick actually just left to go pick something up, but we just got Wi-Fi and TV. I am so happy, finally have Wi-Fi in the house. And Nick and I are gonna leave super soon, go get the moving truck and start moving all the stuff from his house and my house, and then bring it all back here so we can have a little bit of furniture. We're not gonna have too much. We have a lot of things ordered and a lot of things are back ordered. We're on our way to get the moving truck.
Yes, we are.
All of the stuff downstairs, she packed. U-Haul is here, and it's snowing, of course. Packing it all up. Oh gosh. That literally is perfect. It all fit. How do you feel about it?
Feel awesome. Feels great.
Yes! It's official.
Now with
Oh gosh.
to help keep your
Oh
dishes
goodness.
clean.
The little one getting in the big truck.
Oh wait, it didn't close properly. I'm not
Yeah, it
used
did.
to this. Moving!
Whoa!
I didn't close it properly.
Watch your leg.
Got it. Whoa! I didn't close the door properly. Off to the house with all the stuff, and my best friends are gonna meet me and help us unpack and unload everything. So I'm so excited. I am so tired though. It's been a whole day of just go, go, go. You brought these, sweetie?
Yeah, I had to.
Oh gosh. And we're off. Let's go.
Let's go.
We finally are back in the house. It is 5 p.m. pretty much now, so we're going to unload the truck and then finally just relax, and then we'll have to unpack tomorrow. We just got here not long ago.
Yeah, we literally got here 5 minutes ago.
I'm so excited. I'm so happy you guys came.
Wait, you can keep your camera for a second.
What?
I couldn't carry it because it's too
Oh
heavy.
my
That's
god.
for you and Nick, for me and Mike. That's a housewarming.
The house is complete.
And we got it in white and black to match your kitchen.
Oh yeah, wow, they put thought into that. Wow.
Oh my god.
That's actually sick. That's really sick. Thanks guys. That's unreal.
I think I did a good job.
Give me a hug. Oh.
Oh my god, this is cute.
Like I'm in kindergarten.
Congrats!
It is currently the next day and this is the boxes left that I still have to unpack, and then we got all this here. So it's gonna be a busy week. Coming at you from my kitchen. Today is actually the next day. I am so tired. I literally could probably nap for a good week and be good with that. But I wanted to come up on here and do kind of like an outro because I didn't really end it. I got so tired last night, and my best friend Jessica and Michael ended up helping us move in, so that really helped, but I was so exhausted. I hope I got enough footage for you guys. It was actually really fun and bittersweet at the same time, but I'm so excited to bring you guys along this chapter. Be patient with me because honestly, it's so hard to film during the whole process of the move because I don't have like a setup, and a lot of our furniture is backlogged due to COVID. So we're pretty much living in like an empty house for a good bit. So I'm kind of confused on what you guys want to see from me, but I'm definitely going to be sharing kind of like the whole process of the moving. So me unpacking. When I do get furniture, I'll show you room transformations, and of course stay tuned for that empty house tour. I want to do an empty house tour before everything starts coming in. So hopefully I will do that soon. I will try to keep up with my weekly uploads every Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on the notification. But if I miss an upload here and there, it's probably because of the move and just being so busy and trying to get everything organized and unpacked. And yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.